in 88 ascending order and 89 descending order. Okay, ascending and descending orders, you do that in homework this way. Okay, write the place value chart and the numbers are represented in ascending order and descending order in place value charts. Okay, okay. Today I explain that international place value system. International place value system. Okay. Previous classes I explained that Indian place value chart. Indian place value system. Indian place value system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. That is the Indian place value system. Okay, how many periods are there? How many periods are there in Indian place value system, Amma? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. 4 periods is there. Okay, that is the Indian place value system. Now I explain that international place value system. Okay, this is the international place value chart. See here, international place value chart. How many periods are there? Ones period, thousands period, and millions. In this place value chart, don't have the lakhs and crores. Okay, in our Indian place value system, we have the lakhs and crores also. But in international place value system, don't have the lakhs and crores. Okay, in these 3 periods. Okay, in ones period, thousands period, and millions period. This is called as periods. This one also same periods. This one also. Okay, next this one ones. In ones period, which have they? See, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, in ones period, how many places are there? Ones, tens, and hundreds. Next, in thousands period, what are the places are there? Thousands, 10,000, and hundreds thousands. In Indian place value system, 100,000 is there? No. But international place value system, thousands period, 100,000s also have. Okay, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Next, millions. Don't have the lakhs and crores. That is Indian place value system. In international place value system, have millions. Okay, millions. Millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. Okay, you will write in short form ones O, tens T, hundreds H, thousands TH, 10,000s TTH, TTH. Okay, hundreds thousand HTH. Okay, next millions M, 10 millions TM, 100 millions HM. Okay, this is the short form in places. What is this called? Places. Okay, this is the international place value system. This is called international place values chart. Okay, I explain again. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. We don't have the lakhs and crores in international place value system. Okay, ones period have the same way, ones, tens, and hundreds, and thousands period have 3 places: thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Millions have millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. This is called periods, and this one is called as places. Okay. See our next one in our textbook, example 14. Okay, see, write the following numbers in the international place value chart. Okay, already explained the place value chart. What is the place value chart? International place value chart. Also, write them with commas. Write with them commas and in words also. First, you represent the place value system in this digits and write with commas and write in words also. Okay. Now see here. First, international place value chart. We draw international place value chart. I already explained that ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Okay. In ones period, how many places? Ones, tens, hundreds place. And thousands period, thousands place, 10,000s place, and 100,000s place. Already explained. Indian place value system don't have the 100,000s, but international place value system in thousands period have the 100,000s. Okay. Next, in millions, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. We'll write the short form HM, 100 million, TM, 10 million, M, million, HTH, 100,000, TTH, 10,000, only 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, already explained that before that place value system.